Welcome back everyone, this is Yasar from TechSolutionZ. Today we're setting up gaming on Debian 13.2 and yes, Debian can handle modern gaming just fine once you unlock the right tools. In this video, we'll get Steam working, enable Proton for Windows games, set up Lutris for everything outside Steam, and prepare your system for smooth gaming performance. Before we begin, make sure your Debian system is fully updated and your drivers are working. Gaming especially depends on proper graphics support, whether you're on Intel, AMD or NVIDIA. If the drivers are installed, you're ready to move forward. The first step in the gaming setup is getting Steam running. Debian keeps Steam in the non-free section, so once your repositories are enabled, installing Steam becomes straightforward. After opening Steam for the first time, log in and head into the settings. Under the compatibility section, enable Steam Play for all titles. This activates Proton, the translation layer that lets you run Windows games on Linux. Choose the latest Proton version available or use Proton Experimental if you want maximum compatibility. Once this is done, most games in your library will be playable with just a click. After Steam, the second powerhouse for gaming on Debian is Lutris. Lutris is a universal game launcher that supports Wine, emulators, standalone games, and even the Epic Game Store. With Lutris installed, you can browse thousands of install scripts that automatically configure games with optimal settings. It handles the messy parts of Wine for you like runners, dependencies, and DXVK versions, so games that normally need manual tweaks become nearly plug-and-play. For users who like classic games, retro consoles, or emulation, Lutris also supports emulators out of the box. You can organize everything from PlayStation to Nintendo systems in one clean interface. Debian's stability makes it a perfect base for emulation, and Lutris ties the experience together. Along with Lutris, it's useful to have the Wine platform installed. Wine lets Linux run Windows programs, and combined with tools like DXVK and VKD3D, it can translate DirectX games into Vulkan. Many modern AAA titles rely on these technologies, and Lutris will automatically manage these layers for you. This gives even demanding games a real chance to run smoothly on Debian. For users with NVIDIA cards, make sure that the proprietary driver is active before launching games. Without it, you may face low performance or games refusing to launch. Intel and AMD users generally don't require extra steps since Mesa drivers handle Vulkan performance well. Once Steam, Lutris, Wine, and Proton are ready, Debian becomes a surprisingly capable gaming platform. You can play most indie titles without any tweaks, and a large number of Windows-only games work flawlessly under Proton. Everything from lighter titles to heavy AAA games runs with impressive performance, especially if your GPU drivers are properly optimized. And that's your complete gaming setup for Debian 13.2. Whether you prefer Steam, Lutris, or emulation, this configuration gives you a clean and stable platform to enjoy your games. If you want a follow-up video about improving FPS, Vulkan tweaks, or solving NVIDIA issues, let me know. This is Yasir from TechSolutionZ. See you in the next one.